Hello coin engineers, now we are back with another video, and today's video will be about NFT ecosystem, which is very interesting and also lucrative one, and let's dive into our video. Bored Ape Yacht Club collaborates with Rolling Stone, which is an American monthly magazine that focuses on music, politics, and popular culture, founded in 1967 for limited edition NFTs. Why is this worth creating a video instead of sharing as news on social media? I will break it down for you. Before that, to keep updated regarding NFTs, metaverse, potential altcoins, please subscribe to our channel and switch on the notifications. And let's jump into our video. Bored Ape Yacht Club is one of the most expensive NFT collection in NFT ecosystem. Its floor price is 86 Ethereum. And when you check the other ones, you will see that you have more expensive NFTs on OpenSea, on Bored Ape Yacht Club. And also, Bored Ape Yacht Club has announced that second collaboration with Rolling Stone during their festival called the Ape Fest 2022. The limited edition Rolling Stone collectibles will include one Bored Ape Yacht Club and one Mutant Ape Yacht Club. I think you know Mutant Ape, right? This NFT collection. And its floor price is almost 18 Ethereum. So when you check the current price of Ethereum, you get it. So guys, this selling will happen with auction style, okay? Auction starts at 9 a.m. ET on 22nd of June, which is today, and will take 4 hours to end up the sale for collectible art prints of each design. We will have to use ApeCoin to attend and purchase our NFTs in auction, okay? And I don't tell you that you can buy these NFTs with $100. This is an auction. Price might go higher depending on demand. When we check the current price of ApeCoin, it's $4.63. Which markets can we buy our ApeCoins? One of them is Binance, Coinbase, Woo Network, and the other ones. You can check it out. The auction starts with $100, so you can have like 25 to 30 ApeCoin. And that's pretty much of our video. Hopefully you will be able to buy one NFT coming from the collaboration of Bored Ape Yacht Club and also Rolling Stone, and you will be able to sell this NFT with huge and lucrative price. Okay, hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.